Cities are panicking, markets are collapsing, and no one knows what's going on. But what if I told you that a machine can predict all of this before it happens? Economic crises have devastated the world several times. What if we now had a tool to anticipate these catastrophes? Artificial intelligence promises to do just that. Do you rely on the power of machines to save the economy? The numbers don't lie. AI analyzes every market swing, every financial decision, and finds patterns that humans would never notice. But how does she do it? Complex algorithms and machine learning process data at incredible speed, creating a map of the economic future. If we know in advance when a crisis is going to happen, what can we do to protect ourselves? But can we really trust these predictions? Data failures or misinterpretations can cause false alarms. The question is, can technology be our savior, or is it just an illusion? The answer could change everything. Want to find out if AI can really predict the next economic downturn? Let's dive deeper into this intriguing question. If you are enjoying this content, I ask you to subscribe to my channel and help me continue to grow and bring more relevant content. Continuing. Can AI predict economic downturns? Imagine waking up one day to find that the next economic crisis was predicted months in advance, allowing you to take steps to protect your investments. This is not science fiction. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we understand and anticipate economic events. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data at an unimaginable speed, AI is changing the game. It observes trends and patterns that escape human eyes, creating a detailed map of the economic future. The accuracy of these analyses is astounding. But why is this important to you? Economic downturns can devastate lives. The Great Depression and the 2008 crisis are examples of how these events can have lasting effects. Now with AI, we have the chance to anticipate these events. Companies can adjust their strategies, investors can protect their assets, and governments can implement policies to mitigate the impacts. This predictability can transform the global economy by creating a safety net against financial disasters. However, confidence in these predictions is still a point of debate. AI systems are only as good as the data they receive. This means that data quality and integrity are crucial. An error or misinterpretation can lead to inaccurate predictions. So how do we ensure accuracy? This involves a rigorous process of validation and constant adjustment of the models. Experts say that while AI is not a crystal ball, it has already demonstrated impressive accuracy in a variety of tests and applications. What is AI analyzing to predict economic downturns? Artificial intelligence analyzes a wide range of economic indicators. From stock market fluctuations to consumer behavior patterns, nothing escapes your scrutiny. It examines historical financial data, economic news, market reports, and even social media posts. Each piece of information is a fragment of a larger puzzle. By piecing these fragments together, AI creates a comprehensive picture of the global economy, capable of identifying subtle signs of a potential crisis. But what exactly does AI look for in this data? Patterns of behavior that precede economic crisis. For example, a sudden spike in jobless claims or an abrupt drop in consumer spending could signal future problems. AI is able to detect these patterns long before humans notice, offering an early warning. This is especially valuable in a world where markets can change dramatically in a matter of days or even hours. The depth and accuracy of these analyses are made possible by sophisticated algorithms and machine learning. These systems are constantly trained and updated with new data, which improves their ability to predict future events. AI not only observes what is happening now, but also learns from the past. Each previous economic downturn provides valuable lessons that are incorporated into the models, continuously improving their effectiveness and accuracy. Why is predicting economic downturns crucial? History shows us that economic crises can devastate lives. The Great Depression, the crisis of 2008, all were devastating. But imagine having an early warning. Predicting economic downturns can be the difference between losing everything and preparing accordingly. Governments can take preventative measures, companies can adjust their strategies, and individuals can protect their investments. The ability to anticipate these events can transform the way we manage our personal and business finances. In addition, anticipating economic downturns can save jobs and maintain social stability. When a crisis is predicted in advance, economic and social policies can be implemented to mitigate its effects. This can include measures such as economic stimulus, government subsidies, and employment support programs. These actions can reduce the negative impact of a crisis, helping to maintain confidence in the economic system and protect the most vulnerable. However, the effectiveness of these predictions depends on the accuracy of the data and the correct interpretation of the signals. Because of this, it is essential that AI models are constantly monitored and adjusted. Experts work tirelessly to improve these systems, ensuring that they provide the most accurate information possible. The combination of advanced technology and human analysis is the key to predicting and eventually preventing economic downturns. How does AI offer economic predictions? Utilizing sophisticated algorithms and machine learning, AI detects patterns that precede crises, providing a critical advantage for governments, businesses, and individuals. These algorithms are powered by vast amounts of real-time and historical data. The AI examines this data for anomalies and patterns that suggest a potential crisis. This process is seamless, allowing the AI to update its predictions as new data becomes available. The integration of AI into economic forecasting processes is not only about speed, but also about accuracy. AI can analyze thousands of variables simultaneously, something that would be impossible for a human analyst. This includes traditional economic indicators such as unemployment rates and inflation, as well as non-traditional data such as social media sentiment and online shopping patterns. This comprehensive analysis allows AI to provide detailed and accurate predictions. The benefits of using AI to predict economic downturns are undeniable. However, there are challenges and limitations. The ethics of using data and the potential for false alarms are critical issues. The key is to balance innovation with prudence. Thus, we can use AI not only to predict crises, but to mitigate their impacts, protecting the economy and, more importantly, people. Transparency in AI processes and collaboration between experts and technologists are critical to the success of these predictions. Challenges and limitations of AI economic forecasting. Can we really trust these predictions? AI systems are only as good as the data they receive. This means that data quality and integrity are crucial. An error or misinterpretation can lead to inaccurate predictions. So how do we ensure accuracy? This involves a rigorous process of validation and constant adjustment of the models. Experts say that while AI is not a crystal ball, it has already demonstrated impressive accuracy in a variety of tests and applications. There are also ethical issues to consider. Using personal and financial data for forecasting can raise concerns about privacy and security. Companies and governments need to ensure that this data is used responsibly and transparently. Additionally, there is a risk of false alarms, where incorrect forecasts can lead to hasty decisions that could aggravate the economic situation rather than improve it. It's critical that AI predictions are complemented by detailed human analysis. However, the challenges do not diminish the potential benefits of AI in predicting economic downturns. The key is to balance innovation with prudence. Thus, we can use AI not only to predict crises, but to mitigate their impacts, protecting the economy and, more importantly, people. Collaboration between technologists, economists, and policymakers will be crucial in maximizing the potential of AI, ensuring that it is a powerful tool for global economic well-being. So, can AI really predict economic downturns? We've already seen that the data is there. The algorithms are at work. But trust in the technology is crucial. The future of the global economy may depend on these predictions. Are we ready to entrust our economic destiny to machines? Technology advances, but challenges remain. How do we ensure that AI predictions are accurate and reliable? The combination of human analytics and artificial intelligence could be the key. But what's next? Can crises be avoided or just mitigated? The answer could define the future of millions of people. The ultimate question is, are we ready to accept AI as our ally against economic downturns? The impact can be enormous, both in preventing disasters and in creating new opportunities. How are we going to use this powerful tool? Keep exploring, question, and see how technology is shaping our economic future.